Hello students, welcome to Tuteetute. We got the notification for the SBI PO 2022-23. Okay, so this is the bank examination. You know there will be phase 1 and phase 2. So that means preliminary examination you have to qualify for the mains examination. Okay, so we got the notification. We will see all the details about this SBI PO notification. Okay. First, the number of vacancies reported are 1673. Okay, so this is more number of vacancies. So based on your state, in which state you are residing, based on that you just decide and check in the notification how many vacancies are there in your state. Okay, so you can apply to the different states also. There is no restriction for this. Okay, and pay scale will be 36,000 to the 63,840 rupees. Okay, so this is the pay scale. So at the beginning you will be getting this much of amount. Okay, so next the age limit is 21 years to 30 years. Okay, so this is minimum age limit, that is the maximum age limit. For the OBC categories, plus 3 years age relaxation will be there. That means total 33 years. For SC ST categories, it is 5 years of age relaxation. That means 35. For PWD categories, it is 10 to 15 years. It is okay. So based on the however it is managed here. Okay, so based on different PWD categories. Okay, so 10 years to 15 years it will be. Okay, age relaxation. Okay. So next, essential academic qualifications. So for any of the bank exam, whether you are preparing for PO examination or clerk examination, graduation must be completed. Okay, so from a recognized university. Okay, so in any of the state, if you have completed your graduation, that means degree or BTech, then you are eligible to apply for this examination. Okay, so next, selection procedure will be phase 1 preliminary examination, phase 2 mains examination, and after that phase 3 it will be psychometric test or group exercise and interview it will be. Okay, so first remember, you have to qualify this preliminary examination and you have to thoroughly prepare. For bank examination, there will be individual cutoff, otherwise a sectional cutoff will be there. So you have to practice very fast, then only you can achieve this preliminary examination qualification. Okay, so that's why prepare carefully this for this preliminary examination. Okay. So next, online registration will be starting from, okay, so from this 22nd/09/2022 and the last date will be 12/10/2022. Okay, so already it has been started, you can apply now. Okay, so then online examination for the preliminary. Okay, so for preliminary it will be in December month on these dates. Okay, so based on different dates or different sessions. Okay, so you will be getting the examination in the hall ticket. Whenever you get the hall tickets, at that time it will be clearly mentioned. Okay, so in December this examination will be. Okay, so fee for this SBI PO, it is 750 rupees for general category, EWS category and OBC category. So for other categories like SC, ST, PWD candidates, there will not be any fee for this one. Okay, so if you want to register, you have to register in this website or in this website only. Okay, so this is the complete notification. Start your preparation today, and if you need any of the bank coaching, you can call us. Okay, anyway, all the best. Thank you so much.